Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add links to your Instagram bio. You'll be able to add any kind of links to your Instagram bio, whether it's your YouTube channel link, whether it's your website link, whether it's your affiliate link. If you're an affiliate marketer, you'll be able to add the links of your affiliate product to your Instagram bio. So guys, want to know how to do this? Make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to go over to your Instagram app, tap your Instagram app to open it. So guys, once you open up your Instagram app, the next step that you have to take is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. You tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do is to tap on edit profile. You can see there just below your profile name or your profile picture, the arrow is pointing at it. You tap on it. So guys, this is where we do the magic. You can see where it is written add link. The arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here, what you have to do now is to tap on add external link. You can see the plus icon there. What you have to do is to tap on it. The arrow is pointing at it. You tap on it. So guys, now this is where you can add your website link, your affiliate product link, any kind of link, your YouTube channel link, your Twitter link, whatever link that you want to add. What you have to do now is to paste it over here. So guys, let me go ahead to add a link. Let me add the link to my YouTube channel. I just copied it, so let me paste it. So guys, once you're done inputting the link that you want to put on your Instagram bio, you can go ahead to add a title to it. Let me add a title. Let me add a title to the link. Let me add the YouTube channel. So guys, I've added the title to the link. So once you're done inputting your link and your title, you tap on the good at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So guys can see here you added a link to your bio. You can see the notification. So guys can see the title there, YouTube channel, and the link below. You can see it there being encircled. So guys, let's go over to our Instagram profile to confirm if actually the link is there. So let me go back. Let me cancel out of this. So guys, now you can see I'm on my Instagram profile. You can see the link to my YouTube channel over there. So once anyone comes to my Instagram profile and sees that link and taps on it, it's going to direct them to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's confirm it by tapping on it. So guys can see now it's loading up and it's directing us to our YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel. Wow guys can see this is my YouTube channel. I've been directed to my YouTube channel. This is how easy you can actually add a link to your Instagram bio. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.